Hey, this is Amanda here. Hello, creative gardener. Welcome. So today I want to show you black sage. So this is do they call it a volunteer plant? Where I didn't actually plant it here. The birds must have got the seeds and they dropped it here and it started to grow, and I've just allowed it. But one of the things... What are you doing? Sorry, it's Cole. He's found something there. Maybe something's crawled under there. Anyway, let's not get distracted. Right, so there are these, see if I can see them. Yeah, there. Okay, let's go in and I'll show you. These pests, they're so pretty, but aren't they pretty? Little moths. I've never seen purple moths. Anyway, but they lay their eggs, white little, like fine powder, under the underside of the leaves. And we don't want that. So every now and again I come with, I've got some lemon, it's lemon and orange, the rind that I put in a little spray bottle, and every now and again I spray them. Then they kind of run after you. Not run after you. But this is growing really well anyway. It's liked all this rain, and I think where I've sprayed it in the past, it's kind of helped it grow to this. Like, so you can see on that stem there, they lay their eggs and then they grow. So we've got to kind of do something about that. And if we come round here, it's becoming sunset and it's becoming dusk. But if you allow it to grow somewhere where it really loves it, the leaves become really massive. So come round here. I'm creating a little woodland with my clemmer cherry tree, which I have to cut back, but I'm going to be utilising the wood. So where it's kind of grown the long branches, I'm going to be cutting them at those points. Anyway, so let's look here. Here's some black sage. Looks like it's got, yeah, they're there as well. So I need to kind of deal with these. But the leaves, potentially, look at the size of the leaves that they can grow. So I'm going to cut back some of the broadleaf thyme I've got growing here and move it to other points of the garden which I want it to grow, and then allow this black sage to grow even more. And there's some other pieces of the black sage growing in other places around the garden as well. I'm just mindful, I've got the wheelbarrow here and it's collected some water, so I need to get rid of the water. Okay, so I poured out the water in there, but look what they've done, the snails and the slugs, they've done to my papaya tree here. They've just eaten it all. And it may grow back, it might not. Sometimes they don't do well to that damage. I've got a little patch here I'm tending. Yeah, but the black sage is, let me show you where else it's growing. And with the shading here as well, just to get off point, I'm able to grow the ferns because they were growing under the house and they like shade. So I'm trying to create, which I really do have to cut back some of this tree. I know my neighbour's going to be cutting back. Look how it wasn't meant to kind of get like this, but I hadn't been out here for a while. I just had a lot of other bits doing. So let me show you where the other place it's growing. As I say, you know, the birds, that's an experiment. It's going to be an experiment. Oh, man. It's here. So, about a week ago, this was all cut back. And look how it's grown. And what I'll do tomorrow is just cut it right back again. So I want the black sage to establish itself here as well. I just really want it to grow in as many places as possible. And he's found something there. Might be a mouse actually. Anyway, so yeah, I want the black sage to establish itself, but I need to spray them with the orange. What I did was take the rind, blend it, and then strain it, so you've got that potent orange kind of, not smell, but what have you found? What is it? I don't want them to push my plants into this. There's a little kind of, not a ravine, it's not a ravine, but it's where the water, because we're on a slope, and it will go all the way down there into the well. But we're going to go in now. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come. Cole. Come on. Come on. Come. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Let's go and get something to eat. And get some water. Anyway, I'm going to go in. And you should follow. You should follow. Come on. That's the black sage anyway, sorry. Yeah, that's the black sage. I'm going to get the orange spray and spray it and see what happens tonight. Okay, so take care for now. See you soon. Bye.